Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a special guest. I have a good friend of mine that is going to be showing us something new today. She called me up a few days ago and she's like, Ivy, I have an idea for no edges gang people like me. So I was like, okay, just come over and let's film it together, and I hope you guys love this video. Please help me welcome my dear friend Dion. I'm going to tell you guys the amazing story how I met this amazing girl. Okay, so I think I was pregnant with my second child. Yes, I was pregnant with Michael, and I was so much into sewing at that time. So she was working as a, what's it called?
Sales clerk at Fabric Clerk.
Exactly, she was working at Fabric Plant, and I would go there almost every day, and just because I wanted her to teach me just the basic stuff of sewing. And yeah, that's how I met her. And she also helped me with my graduation dress that I was sewing. I'm going to leave a picture down below and you guys can see. I was pregnant, I was shopping for dresses, and my belly was just like there was nothing. I couldn't find anything, and I went to her and she helped me out. So please guys, help me welcome my dear friend Dion. And Dion, please say hi to my subscribers.
Hi guys.
How gorgeous is she? She's not gorgeous? Look at that. Look at her face. Gorgeous. No makeup, guys. No makeup. None.
Yes.
None.
Yes.
Stunning.
Yes.
Stunning.
Hi guys. Hi. I'm excited to be here. We all struggle with our hair, and many years ago I actually overprocessed mine, and I lost around the perimeter of my hair. So I'm always trying to figure out new things, and Ivy always does her tutorials on just helping someone to make them smile or have fun doing hair. So I thought of this piece for the bang, and I called her up and we're like, okay, let's do it. So see, no edges, but
yeah,
I slayed today.
Yeah. So she's going to teach us or show us how she's able to do this bang. Guys, listen, look, none.
Right?
None. Anything that will help us cover it up a little bit, I'm here for it. So she's going to be showing us how to create this bang. Please leave a comment down below, support her. She has a website. You can go on her Instagram page if you want to.
Yeah, Designs by Najwa, and also the business page is also designed by Najwa.com. So just message or hit me up, follow.
Yeah, and she has masks, guys. If you live in Toronto and you want a mask, now that it's back to school time, guys, please hit her up. She has amazing masks. I got all my masks from her. Mine, my kids, everybody's mask is from her, and they're good qualities too. Please hit her up. She has she's setting up her website right now so that you can order everywhere. So anywhere you are, you can help her out, support the black business, support the small entrepreneur. Please help her. And if you're into like designing clothes, designing, girl, she has you covered. I mean it. She has you covered. So I'm going to leave all her link down below on my description box. Please go on her website, check it out. You will find something that you like there. Mask, she's going to be putting every other thing down. And also, don't let me forget, guys, maybe if you have noticed a little bit, Ivy has lost some weight. Yes, and I've been exercising, not like walking a lot, and I'm going to show you one thing that she designed that I
see,
love.
She's undressing me right now. Right? She's undressing me.
She's too gorgeous. Like, really?
Undressing me on camera right now.
Of course. She's too gorgeous, guys.
See this? Okay.
Look at this, guys. She designed a waist trainer. You know the plastic, the wrap that you put in the middle when you're exercising? Girls, guys, you don't need that no more. You can kiss it goodbye. You can actually go get this on her website. You can contact her on Instagram. I think her website is not fully up yet. Contact her on Instagram and grab you this. When you're exercising, you know the wrap you put between the because the thing that you use, you can just put and it makes you sweat, guys.
Yes, it does do that.
It makes you sweat.
Does do that.
So please, guys, go support my friend, and let's go right into this tutorial. Do you have anything else to say?
No, it's actually very, very simple. It's stuff you have at home. If you've done extensions prior and you have little pieces hanging around, this is all we're going to show you today. It's about a mesh, needle and thread, and all the extra stuff. So it's not something you're going to have to run out, buy all new things. You don't have to do that. It's stuff you already have at home.
Inexpensive. We're always affordable,
yes,
girls.
Right here.
Yeah, affordable.
Keep it on that. Yep, keep it on the budget.
So let's get right into this tutorial.
Guys.
I'm going to let Dion go and show us how to create this amazing bang. Okay, so let's get right into it.
Okay guys, so from the tip of your center point of your head, and I would say maybe right where your hairline is and just a little below, you're going to cut a shape of a V. So you're going to place this onto your mannequin head or whatever, and you're just going to shape out this area because this is where the bang's going to sit. Okay, so basically all you're going to do is fold it over from the center because you don't want it too wide. I would say maybe like 4 inch. You can do it a 4 inch, 4 by 4 or 4 by 5. And then we're just going right up to the top of the hair. You get that down, and then you end up with something just like this, right? Just like that.
It's like a V, huh?
So it's like a V or an upside down pyramid. More like a pyramid because you wanted the bang to sit almost like if you parted your natural bang. If you wanted to wrap like a ponytail over it, just get your hair in a bun like what I've done and put a ponytail above, then this is kind of what it is. So you're just wanting to get like a V-shaped thing. Okay, so once that's done, see, it looks like that. Then you find where the mesh normally curls.
Can I show? So guys, as you can see,
oh, it's very transparent. So.
Yeah, it's very transparent. I'm going to try and zoom it in, and
then now you place it and you just get 3 pins, one for the top and one for the top and one for the side and one for the other side. So that just helps it to be secure, and pretty much that's just what it is. Then with your extension that you have, you literally
you can use any extension of your chest.
It depends on the curl. Like, depends if you want. I like bangs are normally straight or wavy, so you don't want to do something too like, you can get funky with it. It's up to you, but we're just demonstrating the straight one. So okay, you place it here and you cut to size.
So guys, she just went ahead and started sewing the hair track on the net, and this was a very simple DIY, quick and easy. As you can see, she just measured the hair from one side to the other, and she just go ahead and sew it. So what you can do is you can pin that down, the hair track on the lace cap net, and you can sew it down like that. So as you can see, it was really easy, as I mentioned before, quick and easy. And this DIY is just, I don't know, I love it so much. I'm going to create a whole lot of them, at least 2-3 more with different style, one with the bangs, and you know what, I really love it. I'm so grateful that she came over to show me this and also show you guys this on how you can save money, and you can switch it up over and over again without actually going and redoing your hair over and over and over and over again. So I'm going to let you guys watch this video. The reason I'm doing the voiceover is because we were just chatting Me and my friend were just chatting, and yeah, it was has nothing to nothing else to explain. So I just wanted to do like a voiceover here for you guys, and yeah. So guys, please leave a comment down below. Go kindly go follow her on her Instagram page. Her website is going to be up very soon, so that you can purchase some of her product. Support her. She has been supporting me from, I don't know, since I know her. She has been a great supporter to me, and especially when I first started my YouTube channel, she will go and like, Ivie, you're doing a great job, you know what, you're amazing, wow, you know. I'm really happy to have somebody that, you know what, I don't really have a lot of friends. I can count my friends with one hand, and she's one of the few ones that I have. And yeah, guys, please go and support her, and leave a comment down below if this tutorial was helpful for you. Do you think it's a great idea? Would you recreate this tutorial? And leave a comment down below. Subscribe, push the subscribe button down below, guys. Help me grow my channel. I know I haven't been consistent here on here, guys. I'm trying my best to be consistent. I need more ideas, guys. You know what, I've been doing this hair tutorial for a long time. Sometimes you just lose interest in all this. Guys, leave a comment. What videos do you want to see? Are you currently liking the content that I'm posting? If not, what would you want to see? And me reading that, you know what, I can always go back to my comment to see what my subscribers want to see, and I can film that. So she just went ahead and placed that on my head, and because I loved it so much, I did wanted to cut the bang. Like, I just wanted it like that. I can always create a second one where I can cut the bangs like the way she had it on her own head, and she just placed it on my head, and went ahead and just helped me shaping the bangs the way I wanted it. I can always use this hair for different hairstyle. Like, I can do a ponytail and put it there. I can do a wig and put it like you can,
and it's perfect.
so I'm going to zoom it in, guys, and I'm going to zoom it out. You guys can see. Look at that, guys. Instant bang. And you can cut it to any style you want. Maybe if I'm tired with it, I can just do like a bang right here. But this is amazing DIY that you can try out at home. And so I'm going to show you guys how you can put this on. You can actually use this for any wig or hairstyle that you want. So now that I had my headband wig on, you can just take this and clip it into the hairband wig, because it has a clip, as you can see here. She put a clip on it, and you're just going to clip that to the headband wig like this, then secure it down. Then you're going to clip this also in like this and secure it down like this. Yeah. And look, guys, you can change. I just transform my headband wig to a bang. I know it does, the colors doesn't match, but if I were to create like a black hairband wig, it's going to go in with this hair, like the bang. You just have to flat iron it. You can put this back just like this. As you can see, it looks amazing. So for me, I think I'm going to create at least 2-3 different styles of hair bang. I'm going to create like the one my friend had, Dion, and I'm going to create another one that is a little bit on the other side. So you can see, you can change this, and you can move it around. You can reuse this, you can wash it. It's just like, you know, take it off and take it on, like put it on. So it's really nice. I love it. I'm going to do a ponytail. That will be on another tutorial to show you guys how versatile this is, like how you can use this in different hairstyle and save yourself money. So let me try another style and show you guys how you, the other way you can use this on. Okay, so unclip this, take it off, unclip it, take it off. The clip is off. So I'm going to take my headband wig off. See the edges? I've always struggled with my edges, guys. I've accepted that, you know what, my hair is not going to grow just like everybody's hair. It's different, and I've accepted it by now. So I'm brushing that my hair back. Yeah, a little fallout, but it's nothing serious. So I'm going to clip this on here like this, clip, and I'm going to also clip this one on like this, clip, try and brush it out. This is so secure, guys. It is so secure. It's not going anywhere. I can brush the hair to the back, like my own hair to the back, like this. Then now I can take my hairband wig and just put it on top of it, move it backwards, and see, now I have a hairband wig with a bang. You see, look at that, how gorgeous this is. I know the colors don't match, guys. I'm going to create another hairband wig with the black hair extension, and it's going to look amazing. And I'm also going to create another hairstyle, another style of the bang, and I'm going to just use my straightening iron just to give it that nice curve that I want. As you can see, guys, this is so versatile. It's easy, simple, inexpensive. As you hear, you can also use curly hair to create this bangs. It's going to look like if you're wearing curly hair and you want the curly bangs on the front, in the front, this is like amazing way to save money and just, you know, look good in budget. You know, you don't have to break the bank. You don't have to like constantly spend a lot of money on your hair. If you have the money, you can buy a wig, you know, not in every style. You don't have to have like a good, like an expensive hair. So as you can see, that's how it looks. I'm waiting for my iron to so I'm going to just go ahead and use my iron to curve it. You know, you can curve it, you can straighten it, you can curl it. And this was a leftover hair that I have for almost more than 2 years now, you know, and I've never used it because it's never enough. It was not enough to create a wig, so I just left it. You don't really need much. You can use a half of pack of hair you can get from the store, you know. So guys, this is all about this DIY. I hope you like it. I hope you push the subscribe button down below. Let me know if you try this out and send me pictures, and let's see how amazing this look on you. And yeah, I'm going to let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment for my friend. She's reading all of them. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Please push the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.
Yeah, yeah. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah. It's Bunsy, baby, oh. Bunsy, baby, oh. Nah, nah, nah.